In this video, I will share how to replace an existing light fixture with a chandelier, and in the end, I will also share a bonus tip on how I fixed the issue of buzzing noise with the multicolor LED lights I used for the chandelier. First, we are going to turn up the breaker. So I just opened up this connection here in the fixture, and you can also test this with the AC voltage tester. That there is no electricity, so we are good here to work safely. So looks like this one is the hot or line, and this black wire is connected to the neutral. So we're gonna take it off. And this is going to be the ground. So this is the wire for the fixtures, and looks like they have identical cables, but luckily they came with these tags for the load or the hot wire and the neutral one. So I just took off the bracket from the fixture. So we are going to remove the fixture on the roof from the existing fixture, and then put this one back in. So now I will be putting on those screws after putting this housing in place. In the start, I talked about a tip on getting rid of the buzzing sound. One of the reasons this happens is because of the dimmer switch. Sometimes the color changing lights with either the remote or smart lights with dimming features built in make these buzzing sounds if the wall switch has dimmer in it. And you will notice that the buzzing sound is actually coming out of the dimmer switch itself. I was having the same problem, and the way I fixed it was to replace the dimmer switch with regular switch, and the problem was solved. There was no buzzing sound coming out of the switch anymore.